Hello children, today we will discuss pronoun part 2. Use of I. We use I when we talk about ourselves. For example, my name is Rashmi. I am a teacher. So I will not say Rashmi I am a teacher. I will say I am a teacher. So I will not use my name when I talk about myself. In the picture you can see Paul is an engineer. The name of an engineer is Paul. So he will say, I am an engineer. And we always use am with I. So when he will talk about himself, he will say, I am an engineer. The second picture you can see, Rakesh is a student. When someone asks him, then he will say, I am a student. Dear children, when you talk about yourself, you always use I. We refers to a group of two or more people which includes the speaker. Speaker means the person who is speaking. I am speaking, so I am speaker. So in the first picture you can see 4 students are there. So one of the student is the speaker. So he or she is telling we are students. Okay. So one of the student is telling we are students. The second picture you can see the boy and the girl are playing Ludo. So one of them are speaker. So the girl, let's consider the girl is the speaker. So she is telling we are playing Ludo. Okay. You. When we talk to one or more than one person, we use you. In the first picture you can see the teacher is telling you can draw a picture in the computer. There are 3 students. So it is more than one. So the speaker is telling, and here the teacher is the speaker. So the teacher is telling the students you can draw a picture in the computer. Instead of telling each name, teacher is telling you can draw a picture in the computer. The second picture you can see 2 men are playing football. One of them said to the other one, you can pass me the ball. Okay? Instead of telling the name, the person is telling you can pass me the ball. They replaces words that name more than one person, thing, animals or place. In the first picture, John and Paul are playing. John and Paul are playing football. Instead of writing John and Paul again and again, we can write they are playing football. Okay, we use they in place of more than one person, thing, animals or place names. Like Sita, Geeta, Rahil and Paul are students. Again, if we write Sita, Geeta, Rahil and Paul study in class 1, it becomes very long sentence. So instead of all the names we can write, they study in class 1. Thank you children.